Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video we'll be working on a Ford Edge, guys, and we'll show you where to find the fuse for the Spdjb box, guys. Okay, I said it with the help of a cheat here, but Spdjb box, guys, is a smart junction box, okay, for the fuses that's actually controlled by software, guys. Many vehicles have problems with that, and we'll explain where to find the fuse, guys. Also, that fuse is known as start run fuse or ignition fuse as well. Quick introduction, guys. Every single car we get at the shop, including this generation Ford Edge, we make at least 200 videos. Why we guys do all that? Why we take our cars completely apart? Because our mission here at the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please, guys, subscribe to the channel and like the video. Hopefully you will find the information helpful. Now, if you guys need to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, and you want to save even more money, check out the link in the description of the video below. So I will go ahead and open the hood, guys, and show you where you can find that fuse box for the smart junction box. Okay, this fuse is very important, guys. Without that fuse, your car may not even run if it's burned or if the box is malfunctioning. So once you open, guys, the hood, okay, let me explain where, okay, that fuse box is located and where you can find the fuse. This is the fuse box right here. How you guys open that thing? Pretty simple. You press in here, then lift up, and gently, guys, come out like that. Now on the back side here, guys, you can see we have the different fuse numbers, okay, and relay numbers. So you can see all that printed here, which makes it super convenient, guys. But what is inconvenient is that you do not have a description of those, so you don't know exactly what they stand for. So that's why we're making, guys, the video. This is a very, very important, guys, fuse, and it's a 30 amp fuse. The fuse that we're talking about, okay, it's this fuse right here, fuse number 53, fuse 53. So what I usually do, guys, okay, you can pull it with hands, okay, it is this fuse right here. But what I do, I grab it with a fuse puller. Okay, let me grab one quick. Grab it with the fuse puller sideways, okay, shake it a little bit, grab it and pull it out. And this is, guys, the fuse. Now if you need to buy replacement fuses, we will have the link in the description of the video below. You can check it out. Usually by looking at the glass part you can tell if that fuse is good or bad. This one looks like a good fuse, guys. So if your car still has problems, you may need to do some diagnostics. We will have the tool for diagnostics on the channel and show you how to do that as well. But you grab a new fuse if yours is burnt and just simply install it. If you need to purchase new fuses, we'll have the link in the description of the video below as well. So now, guys, what I'm going to do, I'll just go ahead and close the fuse box. Why? Because if you guys leave it open, all that dust, dirt, humidity, moisture, guys, all that will end up in the fuse box and you may end up needing a new fuse box. So hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos and see you guys next time.